In the summer of 2018, I and 9 other gifted students, with the company of 2 wonderful group leaders, embarked on a journey on urban studies in France and Iceland. Despite the fact that my group got delayed in Iceland, I spent the first day with another group of wonderful students, learning about French culture and making French cuisines. As soon as I got back with my group, we engaged in an exciting introduction to our host country and also got a chance to learn about ourselves. Our orientation in Paris was full of fun and energy. We explored the art and architecture and neighborhoods that define Paris as we prepared for the rest of our French urban studies adventure. We also traveled by metro around Paris to explore some of the city's iconic sites: the Eiffel Tower, Les Halles, the Louvre, Sacré-Cœur, and Notre Dame. Soon, it was time for us to leave for a family stay in Blois. Blois, we were supposed to meet our new family, where we were supposed to spend the next 12 days with a new family and a new community in Blois. During our family stay, we took part in the daily activities of our families, like cooking, washing dishes, practice our French language skills, and also we got back with our group for group activities. We also had a chance to attend local festivals. We also celebrated the Bastille Day on the 14th of July. After saying goodbyes to our families, we headed to Paris, where we were supposed to do the thematic exploration of Paris. After our 10-day thematic exploration of Paris, we headed for Iceland, where we were supposed to learn more about environment and sustainability.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step.
During our field exploration in Iceland, we learned about the architecture in Iceland and how environment impacts the development of cities. We also had the chance to visit the geothermal power plants in Iceland and learn more about volcanic activities. We also visited local places like the Golden Circle, where we saw the waterfalls, the geysers, and the craters.
The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will.
After spending a 5-week program in France and Iceland, it was time for each one of us to say goodbye and head back to our families. I want to thank everyone who made this program a success and wish you the very best in every course you'll take in life.
We are heroes tonight. We will.
Thank you so much, La Cité Cosmopolite Group, and thank you so much, the Student Diplomacy Corps. May you be blessed.
Average 121 behind the next landing, DHL Airbus 300, cross to 7 left at 0 Bravo 3 behind.
Behind the next landing, DHL Airbus 300, cross Sierra Bravo 3.